Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. So we'll start today's session with a silent prayer. Okay, thank you. So, did you go through last day's problems? Are you able to do the problems by yourself? What about the homework question? Did you try it at home? So, first today we'll be doing the homework question. Okay. Then we'll move on to the problems based on concave lens. So, the homework question. A 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find its magnification. So here what are the given data? 2 centimeter tall object. So height of the object is given as 2 centimeter. So h, height of the object, is usually represented by the letter h, and it is 2 centimeter, and always object is kept above the principal axis, so it is positive 2. Okay. It's placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So f is equal to 10 centimeter, and for a convex lens focal length is always positive. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. So what is that distance? Object distance. So u is equal to 15 centimeter. As you know, according to sign convention, object is kept always on the left hand side. So it is negative 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. So you have f and u. So you can find out v. Using which equation? Lens formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay. So v you have to find out. So 1 by v minus 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by plus 10. Okay. So what is 1 by v or 1 by v? This minus and minus will become plus. So plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 10. So what is 1 by v? 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. So when you take plus 1 by 15 to right hand side, it becomes minus 1 by 15. Okay, children. So next you have to find out the LCM. So what you will get? 1 by v is equal to, what is the LCM of 10 and 15? 10 and 15, what is the LCM? 2, 3. So it is 30. So in the denominator you will get 30, and in the numerator what you will get? 1 by 10 into 30, it is 3, minus 1 by 15 into 30, it is 2. Okay, children. So it is equal to 3 minus 1, 2, it is 1, 1 by 30. So what is v? So 1 by v is 1 by 30. So what is v? v is equal to 30 centimeter. So what you can say about the position of the image? So here it is given that the object height is 2 centimeter, and it is kept at a distance of 15 centimeter. So distance from object to the optical center is 15 centimeter. O is the optical center, AB is the object. Okay. And what is the focal length? Focal length is 10 centimeter. You have f on either side, 10 centimeter. And now what we are getting? The image distance we are getting, it is 30 centimeter and it is positive. That means it is on the right hand side. O to F distance is again 15 centimeter. So suppose this is the image, and this distance now we got it as 30 centimeter. Okay, so image is formed on the right hand side at a distance of 30 centimeter. Find its magnification. How will you find out magnification? What's the equation? M is equal to V by U. What is V? V is 30. And what is U? U is minus 15. Okay. So, you will get minus 2. Magnification, it does not have any unit. What is the reason? Because here object distance U and V, they have the same unit. So, magnification has no unit. And you are getting minus 2. So, what's the meaning of that? Negative sign shows that image is real and inverted. Okay, and it is greater than 1. So, it is 2 times magnified. That means image is enlarged. Okay, so what's the answer? Find the nature, position and size of the image. What's the nature? It is real and inverted. What is the position? It is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter on the other side of the lens. And size of the image, how will you find out size of the image? Magnification, M is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. So, magnification, it is minus 2. It is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object is 4. It is given as, it's not 4, it is 2. So, it is So, magnification you have to substitute it as 2. It is given as plus 2 centimeter. Okay, children. So, h dash by 2. So, what is h dash from this? What you can say? H dash is equal to minus 2 into 2. You will get it as minus 4 centimeter. Okay. So, minus 4 centimeter means what you can say? Yes, it is enlarged, and minus shows that it is below the principal axis. So, it is inverted. So, in the diagram also you can show the length of the or height of the image as 4 centimeter. Okay. So, in this question the ray diagram it is not asked. Okay. But it is, if you want, you can draw a rough ray diagram with every question. Okay. And in some questions, they will ask to draw the ray diagram. In that case, you have to draw it very neatly in your answer sheet or in your notebook. Okay. So, shall we move on to the next question? Hope you got this question. This was homework question. So, next question. Concave lens. Take down all of you. A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed? Should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter, from the lens. Also find the magnification. produced by the lens. Finish writing, all of you? So here what are the given values? A concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. So F you can write it as 15 centimeter. Is it positive or negative focal length? Is it positive or negative? For a concave lens, when a ray of light parallel to the principal axis falls on a concave lens, it diverges, isn't it? It diverges, and this ray appears to come from a point on the principal axis, and that is known as the principal focus, and that point is on the left hand side itself. So as you know, the distance from the focus to optical center is known as the focal length, and that distance is given as 15 centimeter, and since it is on the left hand side, we can take it as negative. Okay children, so focal length of a concave lens is negative. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Okay, so image should be formed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. As you know, for a concave lens, image is also formed on the left hand side, isn't it? Suppose we have an object here, object of height AB. So how will you find out the position of the image? You have to draw two rays, isn't it? First ray, which I have drawn, is the ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it goes, or it appears to diverge from the focus. Second ray which passes through the optical center goes undeviated. So you can see that the two rays meet at this point. So always for a concave lens, image is formed on the left hand side itself. So image is formed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Okay, so this distance is given as 10 centimeter. So if image should be formed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens, then where should be the position of the object? That's the question. Okay, so V is equal to 10 centimeter, and as you know, it is on the left hand side, so that distance, image distance, is also minus, negative. Okay, you have to find out U. So you can use the equation 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So V you have to find out, V is given as minus 10. So minus 1 by U you have to find out is equal to 1 by minus 15. Is it clear? Object distance you have to find out. U you have to determine. Image distance is given minus 10. Focal length is also given minus 15. So how will you find out 1 by U? Now to find out 1 by U, you can take 1 by U to right hand side and minus 1 by 15 to left hand side. So what you will get? Yes, substitute it and solve. Try to get the value of U. So minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by U. Are you getting? Minus 1 by 10, we are taking minus 1 by 15 to left hand side. So it becomes plus 1 by 15. Now we are taking minus 1 by U to right hand side. So it becomes plus 1 by U. So now find the LCM of 10 and 15. What you will get? LCM of 10 and 15. 2, 3. So it is 30, isn't it? So denominator you will get 30. In the numerator minus 3. Then plus 2. Is it okay? It is equal to 1 by U. So what is minus 2 plus minus 3 plus 2 it is minus 1 divided by 30 is equal to 1 by u. So 1 by u is minus 1 by 30. So what is u? U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So where is the object kept? It is also kept on the left hand side, since you are getting negative sign. So the object distance you are getting it as 30 centimeter. Distance from object to the optical center, it is 30 centimeter. Is it clear? Now you have to find out the magnification produced. So how will you find out magnification? M is equal to V by U. What is V? V is minus 10 and U is minus 30. So we will get the answer as 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So you are not told to write the nature and size of the image. So you are told to find out only the magnification. Okay. So magnification you are getting positive 1 by 3. If magnification is positive, what is the nature of the image? It is virtual and erect. As you know, concave lens always forms virtual and erect image. Is it clear? Finish writing all of you. We define magnification. What is 1 by 3 value? Approximately 0.33 you will get. Okay. Even if you write it as 1 by 3, it's okay. No need to find out the value. So shall we move on to the next question? So next is again convex lens. Write down. An object 5 centimeter in length. An object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram. And find the position, size and the nature of the image formed. Position, size and nature of the image formed. Finish writing. So here you are told to draw the ray diagram. So you have to first you can draw a rough ray diagram, then at last you can draw it neatly. Okay. So draw a convex lens like this. Convex lens, and draw its principal axis also. And you can mark the optical center. Oh. Then what are the given data? An object 5 centimeter in length. That means height of the object is given as 5 centimeter and it is always positive. Is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. So object is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter. So U is equal to 25 centimeter and it is always negative. Object distance is always negative. And focal length of the lens is given as 10 centimeter. So F is equal to 10 centimeter and it is on the right hand side. So it is positive 10 centimeter. So shall we mark these all things in our diagram? So we have a focal length. You can mark F on both sides. Okay. And 2F also you can mark. 2F. Okay, children. So focal length is given as 10 centimeter. So this distance is 10 centimeter. So what will be 2f? It will be 20 centimeter. Are you following? 2 times the focal length. So 20 centimeter. So where is the object kept? Object is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter. That means it is a position beyond 2f. Okay. So you have to draw the object beyond 2f. AB is the object and height is given as 5 centimeter. So these are the given values. So as you know, when the object is kept beyond 2f, where we expect the image to be formed between f and 2f, isn't it? And as you know, the image will be slightly diminished. These all things you know. So you can draw a image between f and 2f. Okay. So when you draw with pencil and scale. Okay. So A dash B dash is our image. So this is the rough ray diagram. You can draw neatly in your notebook with pencil and scale later. Now draw it roughly. Okay. Now you have to find out the position of the image. That you can find out only by calculation. So our equation is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is minus 25 is equal to 1 by F. Okay. Now try to do it by yourself. Find out the value of V. Do it by yourself. What you are getting? 1 by V. Are you getting 1 by V as 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25? Are you getting, children? 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. Now we can find out the LCM of 10 and 25. What you will get? It is 50. LCM is 50. In the numerator, what you will get? 5 minus 2. So what is 5 minus 2? It is 3. 3 by 50. Okay. So what is V? V is equal to 50 by 3. 1 by V is 3 by 50. So V is 50 by 3. So 50 by 3, when you calculate, what you will get? 50 by 3, you will get it as 16.67. 16.67 centimeter. 16.67. Are you getting 16.67? Okay, next you can find out since you need to find out the size, you can use the equation. How will you find out size? You know, magnification M is equal to height of the image by height of the object, that is equal to V by U. Okay, so now we have U, V and you have H also. So you can use this part of the equation to find out the height of the image. Okay. So H dash is height of the image, so that you are going to find out, and H is 5, that is equal to V. What is V? V is 16.67 divided by U. What is U? Minus 25. And the 16.67, if you want to make calculation easy, you can substitute it as 50 by 3 also. Okay. 16.67 by 25, it will be difficult for you to do the calculation. So you can substitute it as 50 by 3 also. So when you substitute it as 50 by 3, what you will get? So I am substituting it as 50 by 3. Okay. So what is h dash? H dash is equal to 50 by 3 divided by 25. It is into 1 by 25, and here we have 5. 5 when it goes to the other side, it goes to the numerator. And you have a minus sign also. Since here on the right hand side you have minus 25, you have a minus sign also. Okay. So when you simplify it, 5 5s are 25, then 5 10s are 50. So you will get the answer as minus 10 by 3. So what is 10 by 3? Approximately you will get 3.33 centimeter, and you have minus sign also. So this is the height of the image. So do the calculation once again by yourself at home and practice it. Okay, keep on practicing these questions again and again. Then it will be easy for you to do. So you are getting height of the image as minus 3.33. So what you can say about the nature of the image? It is below the principal axis. So that's the reason why you are getting minus sign. So it is below the principal axis. Already we have drawn the image A dash B dash below the principal axis. And height, now we got it as 3.33 is the height. You know, height of the object is 5 centimeter. Now height of the image is 3.33. That means the image is diminished. And the position, since you are getting plus 16.67, what you can say? It is on the right hand side. Hope this question is also clear to you. So shall we move on to the next question? Finish doing, all of you? So next question, write down a concave lens of focal length. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram. Draw the ray diagram. So here what are the given values? Focal length of concave lens is given as 15 centimeter. It forms image at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. You have to find out the object distance. So here the lens is concave lens. So focal length for a concave lens, it is negative. So negative 15 centimeter. It forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. As you know, image formed by concave lens is also on the left hand side. So V is equal to minus 10 centimeter. And how far is the object placed from the lens? That means you have to find out the object distance. So in your diagram, you can draw the optical center, and suppose it's a focus on both sides. Okay. And focal length is given as 15 centimeter. And suppose this object second ray passes through the optical center, goes undeviated. See, these two meet at this point where you will get the image, and image distance, it is given as 10 centimeter. Okay. So you have to find out what? Object distance. This distance you have to find out. So how will you find out? 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by minus 10 is minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by minus 15. Okay. So what is 1 by U? You can take minus 1 by U to right hand side and minus 1 by 15 to left hand side. So we will get minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by U. What is the LCM of 10 and 15? 10 and 15, what is the LCM? It is 30. So denominator 30, numerator what you will get? Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 by U. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by U. That means U is equal to 30 centimeter. Minus 30 centimeter. So object distance you are getting it as 30 centimeter on the left hand side. So in order to obtain an image at a distance of 10 centimeter from a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter, object should be kept at a distance of 30 centimeter on the left hand side. Is it okay? So I will give you 2 questions as homework. You can try the 2 questions. Finish doing this problem, all of you. So practice the problem many times at home. Okay. So take down the homework question. First one. A 4 centimeter tall object. A 4 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis. Placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. If the distance of the object is 30 centimeter, from the lens, find the position, nature and size of the image. Also find the magnification. Next question. A concave lens of focal length. 20 centimeter forms an image at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. What is the distance of the object? What is the distance of the object from the lens? Also draw the ray diagram. Okay, so only 2 questions for you. So try to finish it today itself. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, children. So next we'll be having an interactive session.